In this video, we'll look at importing content from one course to another. So this is our Canvas Santa Maria High School Basics module, or course. And I've got this that I want to put in another course. So I'm going to go to the course that I want to bring it into, which in this case is the Teacher Tech course. Once I'm in the Teacher Tech course, I need to go to the settings page. And over here on the right, we've got import course content. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to copy a Canvas course when it says content type. I'm going to search for the course name. There it is. And I'm going to select specific content. I'll adjust events and due dates and remove the dates, just so I can start with a clean slate. I'll click import, and it'll let me choose the content over here where it says select content. And I will go in. That was a page, so I'll find it in pages. Organizing modules, there it is. So now that I've got the page I want to bring in, or the content I want to bring in, I'll go down here and click select content. It'll tell you it's running, and depending on the size of the import, it could take a while, but that went pretty quick. So now if I come and look at this course, let's see, I'll look at our modules. Okay, the module I wanted to put it into is the Canvas Basics module over here. So I'll scroll down, I'll find it. And now I'm going to come to the module I want to put it in. I'm going to click on the plus. I'm going to add a page. And I'm going to find that one. There are a lot of pages here, but I think it was started with O, right? There it is, organizing modules. And I will add the item. It'll add it to the bottom down here. And I want to move it up to where the modules were. Right there, adding a module. All right, so that's how you can import content into a course.